Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady, chapter 66. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Song Yu-hang. Right now, she was reading the newspaper. It turns out she already see the same newspaper that Nian was reading. Well, suddenly, have you seen bulb anatomy results? Well, it seems that suspicious to her. I have seen it and I heard that dozens of forensic doctors, including sociologists, have dissected the remains. It was indeed a drowning. It's a coincidence that bulb death is coincidence. It is a coincidence that the Scarface recognized Linian. Linian made a disguise at the time. Why wasn't recognized by the Scarface? Or did he have seen Linian long time ago, or his calls have always been Linian? Well, probably it might. They're looking for Linian. Punching, farking, I have something to do. Song Yu-hang said to the other subordinates. Well, it was getting late at night. Police station. One of the officers was drinking. It seems that it was a normal day, but looking at it, Linian right now she comes slowly. Well, probably she will go for the morgue to be able to see the body. Now, there's a strange voice of power outage on the second floor. Let's take a walk and to the main control room. Oh, it definitely, she was really great. Now, Linian, she passed by the two officers. Well, she really did go in. The second floor, it was the morgue room. Well, Linian, is she going to enter to be able to check the body? Well, definitely she is. Now, she was looking around if there's someone was there, so she can enter the room without interruptingly. But of course, right now, someone goes behind her. She has been alerted and is going to attack. But, of course, someone also is powerful. Turns out she got control again. Well, someone was holding her. It turns out it was Officer Song. It's me, Song Yu-hang said to her. Well, definitely she knows that it was Linian who's following her. It's me, Song Yu-hang. Meet again, Dr. Lin, Song Yu-hang said to her. But of course, Linian, right now, she is not moving. And also, she was calling her, you. For the first time, for a month long, the two of them finally meet up. Song Yu-hang come closer to her. She became arrogant again and said, you are not dead. Of course, she is not dead. Song Yu-hang come closer to her. Didn't you let me die? Well, Linian, she was thinking, of course, she remembers the awkward thing. I am very efficient, Song Yu-hang said to her. Since she was holding that knife, of course, Song Yu-hang needs to put it out. Well, it got really confiscated as long as you didn't put the tip of the knife at me. It's too dangerous, Song Yu-hang said to her. You, put first, huh? Oh, it makes sense. She wanted this Song Yu-hang, but of course, she cannot do anything because she already pinned down on the wall by Song Yu-hang. What a great meet-up, the two of them finally getting rekindled. Don't talk, someone is coming. What? Tonight? After finally calling, I heard that there was any movement here, and there was nothing. If you really have to move, you can go back to sleep. But clearly heard that sounds inside. Did I really hear it wrong? The other one said, forget it, let's go back to sleep. Well, Linian and Song Yu-hang still on the awkward state. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-fi. Thank you, bye!